Stay in, huh? And then go what I can. Yo Jay, is the red light on my camera?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was not sure what am I doing, but I was like, fuck it.
5 o'clock driver's meeting.
Well, it's in my backpack, but I don't think I need it. Oh, fuck the other way, huh? It's good. By the stem.
Oh, this is the one, that's the broken one.
Let's go. Make it work. Oh. I just fucking put it in there.
Aero covers.
Oh, the discs. I put the discs over there. And then Cal's box has the hardware.
Okay.
Oh, got it, Jay? Thank you, sir. You guys wrapped the fronts already, huh?
probably the main part is. I suppose the car on
Alright, go ahead. She's all in good shit. What? Holding. What? What?
There goes that one.
You wanna reuse this shit? Can I use this for my Porsche? I thought you could use that.
You got umbrellas.
Hello.
We gotta stand next to the die when it's raining. Cover the window.
Daylight right here, bro.
I just like for you. Yeah.
Yeah. One day should be there.
Give us some more, baby. Give us some out.
What happened?
Put your tail gauge away, Danny.
Yeah. Oh, damn. Fucking storm is coming in and we just pretty much finished.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming while it's summer. Fuck it. Well, up on the top of the hill, definitely the fucking winter is coming.
Yeah, it's gotta be that cold air coming down next to a little hot air, huh?
Yeah, mixing. Yeah. Ooh.
That one was crazy.
Ooh.
Can you imagine what it's like over there by Pikes Peak?
It's like seeing above it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want us to Devil's Playground right now, too.
Yeah.
It's all crazy, huh?
This is what you want to see it, yeah. It's all covered by snow. I think it probably still hit though, huh?
Yeah.
There's like little holes coming in.
You can probably hear like the
Yeah.
So who's getting their free electricity? That's what I want to know. Man, for how long today was, it's been kind of a rad day.
It's a long ass day.
I enjoyed it.
20-hour fucking work day. 2:30 to 10:30.
Yeah.
Jay had a day like this, and overnight, and the next morning.
Yeah.
And we went straight to pits
Yeah.
for Saturday.
We didn't slept. We got there.
Yeah. I mean,
We
it is
didn't
what
go
it
to
is.
Stampin'.
But I feel like all those little changes we made to the car, I mean, that's like fucking seconds. I mean, if it inspires confidence for Pduh to like drive the car that much further to the limit,
Yeah.
like, that's seconds because of
Yeah.
how long the course is, you know?
Yep. To his, how you call it, his stack. Cool guy, Johnny.
Yeah.
Talked to that dude and he was fucking cool. Cause his daddy's Hungarian, so I was like, oh shit, like if you don't mind me asking, like, parents are Hungarian? And he was like, yeah, his dad. He has a shopping alley also. And he was like, yeah, if you need anything, just, you know, come by.
Shopping where? LA?
Yeah,
Oh, sick.
that is crazy.
I want to film this shit. Chilling. weather from there comes down the hill into the hot weather and like just creates all kinds of turbulence. So, yeah, it's super easy.
Yeah, just focus on it.
It's kind of like a face in the clouds too. Wow.